So I'm finally back with another YouTube video. I know it's been a while, but I'm finally done editing my book. So now I have more time for YouTube. But one thing I realized while going through the editing process is that I need to do a better job with keeping up with all the stuff and the details that comes with editing a book, especially a fantasy novel, because you have it's just so much with the world building, the characters, and things like that. So while I was on YouTube, I came across, bullet journaling, and I was like, maybe I can compile all of my information over all of my notebooks. I have entirely too many, like 10, and put it all together through bullet journaling. A nice, relaxing way, to just compile all that information. So I'm going to show you how. Stay tuned. Catch you later. Bye, girl.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
So here I have with me a cute corkboard journal I got from Amazon. It's a Keep Good A5 8.5 by 5.8 inches hardcover. It also has a cute little pocket in the back. It comes with wood and sticky notes. So fair warning, this is my first time bullet journaling, so I went for simple designs but still fun, and most of the designs pertain to my story. So on my first page, I have the title of my book, King of Sorrow. I have a crown and a sunflower that represents the protagonist's king's home, Peace Island. So I'll cover this up some because I don't want to give any spoilers. But what I did here was write the profiles for my main characters. Sometimes you will forget important details about your characters, and you want to make sure those details are the same throughout your story. The next page, I have my secondary characters and any important details again. Because trust me, once you're 100 pages deep, things in your story start to run together. And the next 2 pages, I have something I wish I had started with. Something very important. A timeline. My story follows 2 different timelines, so I have one for the past and the current timeline. As you see on my current timeline, I tried to be a little cute and add a sunflower. So for the 6th page, I'll do this one with you guys. I'm going to be making this page for details about the settings in my story. While writing my novel, I found world building to be relatively easy when it came to thinking about it, but putting those thoughts to paper in an understandable way can sometimes be difficult. So this page will serve as a way to keep up with region names, details, leaders, important monuments, and etc. So what I'll start with is the title. I think I'm gonna go with The World of Kasai. So Kasai means an uncontrollable fire, so I think I'm gonna add little flames. So I actually already typed up some information about the setting, so I'll just be taping the list I made. I would use washi tape, I do have some, but I just moved and it's in the garage and I'm not about to go there right now. So instead, I'm going to use these stickers. So I ran into a problem. My pages don't fit. So I decided to fold them in half and make them look like little doors. In the King of Zara, there is a lot of symbolism for barriers of being locked in mentally and physically. So this will still go with my theme. Now I'm going to be adding an illustration of Cosmic Lotus Tea. Like I said, these doors represent the barriers and walls in the world of Kasai. And a lot of these barriers are broken down over a cup of Cosmic Lotus Tea. So I think it will only be fitting for that to be the illustration. Cute. Alright, so this page didn't work out how I thought it would. but I made it work. Like I said, I did the doors. Only thing was the stickers I used kind of made it hard to open this, but it worked out good because I ended up making it like a little pretty border. And I just ended up sticking it with these. I can't remember what these are called, but it's the styrofoam sticks sticking on that side, and you take that top part off. I think it's used to stick like stuff to the wall. But anyways, we're learning together. So yeah, that's how it turned out. Originally, I was gonna have it all on one side, and then on the next page, I was going to have the map of Kasai, and I was going to illustrate it on a coffee table. One of the characters in my book, her name is Dr. Lisa, and I was going to illustrate this page to look like a coffee table with a cup of her jasmine tea. And I know it said the staple tea in Kasai is cosmic lotus tea, but Dr. Lisa does her own thing. But I still can probably put the map on this page, you know. I don't know if I'm gonna do it all the way across because then that would be kind of weird. I feel like that would just cause another problem. Okay, you know what? I'm actually gonna add some borders to this page. A freehanding. I didn't want to get too caught up in drawing, especially since I'm using my bullet journal as a way just to really organize the thoughts for my book. It's a nice relaxing method. I was a little careless with that one, but it's still cute. There we go. We look a little better. This didn't fit either. This was information about the story and the setting. I wonder if I should write the 7 regions of Kasai. You know what, I'm gonna do that. I have to show you all a picture of the completed page because somehow the video, the end of the video got deleted. So another thing I noticed is that I often had random details that popped up throughout the story, such as the cosmic lotus tea I was telling you about. Now that detail wouldn't fit under any of the categories I made in this bullet journal. Therefore, that made me decide to make a random thought page. The design I'm going to go for is a page full of thought bubbles, and maybe I'll illustrate some in between the bubbles. The other page is still coming back to haunt me. I can feel it underneath this. If you bullet journal and you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. I have to save my little page. Yeah, so this one right here, this right here, I really don't like how it's coming up. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna take up both pages, both sides. Ooh, this feels nice. Writes nice. Lepine. What is this? I think 0.3. Lepine. Amazon.
They all want something now. I don't got the time to go and fuck around. See my eyes got money bags. I don't rest. I might be a Nike fiend. I need my checks. Headed for the limelight. Ain't just hype. It's not overnight. I take my advice. I'm gonna do this right. Feeling nice. What's the price? Do not live twice.
There we go. Maybe I'll simply go in with my pen. No matter what color. Let's see. I'm gonna use this small one, and I'm gonna write the detail Cosmic Lotus Tea, just so I won't forget the name of the tea, which I did while I was editing. So.
I depend on the way you send chills down my spine. Wanna give you all my time. Give you all my time. You burn my chest just like tequila. Wanna show you why.
So yeah, just like that. And throughout, I'll go in and just add different details of things that I want to make sure I remember. And that will be the same throughout the story. So now it's done. Simple and pretty. And when I need to add more, I will. And it'll just be a recurring details page. And it can be throughout. I think I'm going to do it like that as well. Thank you all for watching. For more content, don't forget to subscribe to AA TV. Also, be sure to like and comment below. Until next time, ride on and stay safe.